Bayanihan. Ang ganda ng kultura natin pero may hidden cost. Giving ayuda or lending money to family can be rewarding. Nakakataba ng puso na nakakatulong tayo pero minsan nauwi rin to sa financial strain lalo na kung paulit-ulit at naapektuhan na ang inyong budget. Kahit gaano natin kamahal ang ating pamilya, we also need to protect our own financial stability. Set a giving limit. Ibig sabihin, maglaan ng specific amount na kaya mong ibigay. Hindi yung uutangin mo para makatulong ka. Remember, helping family should come from the heart, not at the cost of your own financial health. Kasi kung ikaw mismo ang mahihirapan, mas kaunti rin ang maitutulong mo sa future. Being generous is good. Just make sure it's sustainable. If you want to learn more about our community, like, subscribe, and comment for more financial insights.